Good evening, all. Thank you for having me here with
Labs
you.
vakars visiem. Prieks, ka var būt.
Like Albert told you that I'm always writing special speeches, but
Kā Alberts teica, kad es vienmēr rakstu īpašas runas,
but I'm never reading them.
bet es viņas nekad nerunāju.
So today will be the same. I wrote a speech, but I put it on the side,
Es uzrakstīju runu, bet es viņu noliku pie malas.
especially because the energy in this room.
Dēļ tās enerģijas, kas ir šajā telpā.
Because I want to look at your eyes when I'm speaking.
Jo es gribu skatīties jums acīs, kad es runāju.
And I will start with your shirt.
Un es,
Stand up.
un es sākšu.
You know the shirt? Jerusalem?
Jūs zināt, kas viņam uz krekla ir
So
Jeruzāleme?
I will tell you two things about this shirt.
Divas lietas es pastāstīšu par šo kreklu.
I really love the menorah in the Jerusalem.
Man patīk šī menora
But I have a
un
problem.
Jeruzāleme.
This is a sign of Beitar Yerushalayim, a football club in Israel.
Jo tas ir futbola kluba simbols.
Am I a fan of Maccabi Netanya? It's a different club.
Tas ir mans
But I'm
mīļākais
really
futbola
happy
klubs.
that you wore this shirt.
Tā kā paldies par šo kreklu.
You know, in the past 2 years,
Pēdējos 2 gados,
from the night that I spoke for the first time with Albert,
kopš tā vakara, kad es parunāju ar
I
Albertu,
sat in a committee, in the finance committee in the Knesset. It was a night of voting.
es finanšu komisijā, mēs runājām, tur bija balsošana,
And Albert called me out of nowhere.
un ne no kurienes pēkšņi,
And he asked for help for somebody from the Baltic states. I don't remember which states.
es neatceros, no kuras valsts bija cilvēki, viņi prasīja palīdzību, vai no Baltijas.
But a nice story that we met 2 weeks after.
Bet pēc 2 nedēļām mēs satikāmies,
And I fell in love in his eyes.
un es iemīlējos viņa acīs.
And I'm a woman guy, not a man guy. But I love his eyes and
orientācija viss kārtībā.
his feeling that he passed me. And we become friends.
Un mēs kļuvām draugi.
And I will tell you something, Albert. You are doing better job
Un es gribu vēl kaut ko pateikt, ka tu dari šo labo darbu
than the Foreign Affairs Office in Israel.
labāk nekā Izraels ārlietu ministrija.
And I'll tell you why.
Es pateikšu, kāpēc.
I came with you to Sweden 2 years ago, something like this,
Pirms kādiem 2 gadiem mēs bijām Zviedrijā
with 4 bodyguards. Remember that were
ar
afraid some...
4 miesasargiem, atceries.
I will tell you all something. What happened to me
Un kas notika ar mani?
in the first 10 minutes,
Pirmajās sapulcēs
it was something that I felt something going from the sky on my head.
es jūtu, ka kaut kas nolaižās pār manu
The
galvu no
people
debesīm.
started to pray,
Cilvēki sāka lūgt,
and I never felt something like this.
un es nekad iepriekš kaut ko tādu nebiju
Not in
sajūtis.
the synagogue, not out of the synagogue.
Ne sinagogā, ne ārpus sinagogas.
I just felt
Es
the
sajūtu,
truth
sajūtu
of people praying for Jerusalem. And for me,
to, ka
it
cilvēki
was
lūdz par Izraēlu.
unbelievable.
Un priekš manis tas bija kaut kas neticams.
So thank you, Albert, for all you're
Tāpēc
doing
pal-
for Israel. This is
Paldies,
very important
Albert,
for
par
us.
to darbu, ko tu dari priekš Izraēlu.
Michelle, you know, if I met you in 2012,
Mišela, es tevi satiku 12. gadā.
I would volunteer to work for you for running to president in America.
Es pieteicos kā brīvprātīgais, lai
You are
palīdzētu
so
tev kļūt
special.
par ASV prezidentu.
You are so special.
Tu esi tik īpaša.
You are like lighting, walking on the world.
Tu esi kā zibens, kas staigā pa pasauli.
It's a pity that you didn't win the elections. You gave it to Barack Obama. I don't know why. But
Un
I'm sure
tu
that
varētu Barakam Obamam un citiem dot labas mācības.
I'm sure you did, and you will do lots of good things.
Un es zinu, ka tu
For
dari
people.
daudzas brīnišķīgas labas lietas priekš cilvēkiem.
And thank you for being with us, and I'm being with you. You are very, very special.
Paldies, ka esat kopā ar mums. Tu esi ļoti īpaša.
And I'll tell you something. I
Oh.
understand something about politicians.
Un pateikšu jums vēl kaut ko.
Here in this room, sitting, one of the leaders in the future in Latvia.
Šajā telpā sēž
His name is Yanis.
šis valsts līderis, nākotnes līderis Jānis.
I met Yanis a few times.
Es ar Jānis ticies vairākas reizes.
He's a special politician, and tell you why.
Viņš ir īpašs politiķis. Es pateikšu, kāpēc.
Because he went to the parliament
Jo
to do good things for people.
Jo viņš devās uz parlamentu, lai darītu labas lietas priekš cilvēkiem.
Not for money,
Nevis lai dabūtu naudu,
not for his proud,
nevis priekš lepnuma,
to do things for his region and for all Latvia, and thank you for what you are doing.
bet darīt kaut ko priekš Latvijas un priekš savu reģionu. Paldies par to, ko jūs darat.
And now we go back to a little story, okay?
Un tagad atgriezīšos pie citas
I
stāsta.
was born in Vilnius in Lithuania
Es piedzimu Viļņā, Lietuvā,
in 1970.
70. gadā.
I'm from a family that actually from Kaunas,
Es esmu no ģimenes, mēs dzīvojām Kaunijā,
that in the day of the Holocaust,
bet holokausta dienās
all of my family were killed
visa man ģimene tika
in Ponar Forest.
tika
Okay? All of them.
Gāja
The
bojā.
only one that stay alive is my grandmother,
Vienīgā, kas palika dzīva, tā bija mana vecmāma.
and she was in Ghetto Kovna.
Un viņa bija geto.
When my mother was born in 1940,
Kad mana mamma piedzima 40.
the election against kids, Jewish children, started. The election is killing kids, the Jewish kids.
Tad ebreju bērns sāk arī nogalināt.
And my grandpa and grandmother wonder what to do with the little girl. The name is Paulina Pesia.
Un mans vectēvs un vecmāma domāja, ko darīt ar šo mazo meiteni, kur sauc
And my
Polina.
grandfather went outside to work from the
Un
ghetto.
vectēvs devās tur strādāt geto.
And he bought butter. Butter.
Un viņš nopirka sviestu.
The first time he bought butter, it was with dirt inside.
Un tad tas sviests bija ar netīrumiem
The
iekšā.
second was dirt inside.
Un tur bija netīrumi
The
iekšā tajā
tenth
sviestā.
was dirt inside.
Un vēl katru nākošo reizi, kad viņš pirka, arī bija
After a
netīrumi.
few months, he bought butter,
Pēc dažiem mēnešiem viņš nopirka sviestu.
and it was clean butter.
Un tas bija tīrs.
And he went back after a few days. He bought from the same lady. It was clear butter.
Un, kad viņš vēl devās pie šīs kundzes, kas pārdeva sviestu, tas
And
atkal
then he
bija
understood
tīrs.
that the lady
Un tad šī sieviete saprata,
is good lady.
ka viņa ir laba
She given
sieviete, laba
real
sieviete,
butter.
ka viņa dod tīru sviestu.
And he knew that if my mother will stay in the ghetto, after a few weeks, she will be killed.
Un viņa saprata, ja māma paliks geto, pēc dažām nedēļām viņa nogalinās.
He go back to the girl, to the woman,
Un viņa devās atkal pie
and he
šīs
asked her,
sievietes un prasīja viņai,
with tears to take my mother.
lai ar asarām prasīja, lai viņa paņem pie sevis māmu.
You have to think,
Un vajadzēja domāt,
parents of a child
vecāki un bērni,
giving their own child, the only child,
kas atdod savu bērnu
to a strange woman
svešai sievietei,
to let her raise the child.
lai viņu uzaudzina.
And that was the story.
Un tāds ir šis stāsts.
After a few days, they put my mother in a bag,
Un
potato bag.
pēc dažām dienām mana mamma ielika geto,
My grandfather gave some money to the guard,
un vectēvs iedeva naudu sargam,
and he passed my mother to the woman. Her name was Alena,
un viņš izlaida manu mammu pie šīs sievietes, kur sauc Alena.
Lithuanian woman, not Jews, not Jewish.
Viņa bija lietuvieta, viņa nebija ebrejiete.
And she took my mother.
Un viņa paņēma manu
It's a long
mammu.
story, but I make it short.
Tas ir garš stāsts, bet es viņu
And she raised
saīsinu.
my mother
Viņa uzaudzināja manu mammu
as a Christian.
kā kristieti.
Every day doing the prayers.
Katru dienu viņa lūdza.
And after more than 1 year,
Un pēc vairāk kā gada,
after my grandmother survived the transition camp,
kad mana mamma bija pārdzīvojusi šo
and
pārvietošanas
my
nometni,
grandfather jumped for the train and joined the partisans,
un vecmāma izlesa no vilciena un pievienojās partizāniem.
and the war finished, and he
Un
went,
karš beidzās,
he went to a small village in Lithuania,
viņi devās uz mazu ciematu Lietuvā.
and there was like a market,
Un tur bija tāds tirgus,
and he saw the sweater
un pārdeva džemperi.
of my mother.
Manai-
Somebody is
manai-
selling the sweater.
Manai mammai kāds pārdeva.
And he started to ask where they got the sweater from.
Un tad sāk prasīt, kur
And they
dabūj to džemperi.
got to Elena's house.
Un tad viņi nonāca pie šīs Elenas mājās.
And after, there was a story, he took my mother, and she was raised in Kaunas.
Un viņi tika uzaudzināti
She
Kaunijā.
became a doctor,
Viņi kļuva par ārstu,
kids doctor, I would say kids doctor.
bērnārstu.
Pediatrician. And she met my father when she was 22 in Vilnius, in Kaunas.
Viņa satikās ar manu tēvu Kaunijā.
And
Viņai bija 22
Two
gadi.
kids were born, me and my brother.
Piedzima 2 bērni, es un mans brālis.
And at 72, we came to Israel.
Un 72. gadā mēs aizbraucām uz Izraēlu.
And 15 months ago,
Un pirms 15 mēnešiem, 50 mēnešiem,
I'm Simon Davidson, the small Simon Davidson from Netanya,
es, Simons Davidsons,
came to Lithuania with members of Knesset,
es devos uz Lietuvu ar Kneseta pārstāvjiem,
standing on the hall that killed all the Jews in Ponar,
un es stāvēju tajā vietā
with the flag of Israel,
ar Izraēlas karogu
praying Kaddish,
un lūdzu Kadiš
singing Atikva
un dziedāju
with
Atikva
big proud, and saying it will never happen again.
un ar lepnumu paziņoju, ka nekad vairāk tas neatkārtosies.
My mother has 6 grandchildren, 3 for me and 3 for my brother.
Manai mammai bija 6 mazi bērni, 3 no manas un
And
3 no
why
brāļa.
I'm telling you this little story?
Un šo stāstu es jums stāstu,
Because we are 80-something years after,
jo pēc kādiem 80 gadiem
and Jews in the world
ebreji pasaulē,
afraid to go with the kippah.
viņi baidās,
People taking the mezuzah from the wall.
jo cilvēki kaut ko ir agresīvi noskaņoti
The
pret viņiem.
anti-Semitic movement in the world growing crazily.
Jo šis antisemitisms ir pilnīgi traks.
Everybody is blaming Israel.
Visi vaino Izraēlu.
Everybody is blaming Israel about the war in Ukraine, blaming Israel about the war in Iran, blaming Israel about Hezbollah, about everything, blaming Israel.
Vaino Izraēlu par Hezbollah un par vispārējo.
And sorry for the language, this is the biggest bullshit.
Un es atvainojos par to, ka es saku, tas ir pilnīgs sviests.
Everybody has to understand
Jo visiem jāsaprot,
that now, people now, in these moments, in the north of Israel,
ka šajā pat brīdī
living in
Ziemeļ-Izraēlā
shelters,
cilvēki dzīvo patversmēs,
bombing.
jo tur notiek bombardēšana.
Kids can go to the school.
Jo bērni nevar iet uz skolu,
Business are closed.
visi biznesi tiek slēgti.
And it's really bombed after the 7th of October. You have to understand something.
Un jums kaut kas jāsaprot,
The 7th of October
ka 7. oktobrī
is the biggest alarm
tad bija lielākais trauksmes zvans
for the world,
visai pasaulē.
not only for Israel,
Ne tikai priekš Izraēlas,
because Israel is strong.
jo Izraēla ir spēcīga.
We will defend ourselves
Mēs sevi aizstāvam
and we'll do whatever we need to do for our citizens.
un priekš saviem pilsoņiem mēs darīsim visu, kas ir
We have
iespējams.
the strongest army. We have the strongest army,
Mums ir laba armija,
the best
spēcīgākā
aircrafts,
armija.
the best pilots,
Labākie piloti
The
un
best
labākās
intelligence.
lidmašīnas, labākā izlūkošana.
and we have the tools to defend ourselves.
Un
But,
mums ir ieroči, instrumenti, lai sevi aizsargātu. Bet
there are lots of countries
ir
that don't have it.
daudzas valstis,
And what's happened in Israel
uh,
could happen in other countries.
jo tas, kas notika Izrēlā, var
You have to
notikt
remember this.
citās valstīs. Jums tas jāatcerās.
And our enemy
Un mūsu ienaidnieks
is all the modern world enemy.
ir
We're in the same boat.
Visa pasaule. Mēs esam vienā laivā.
Yeah. And when I stood here,
Kad es stāvēju šeit
and hearing and feeling your prayers,
un dzirdēju, kā jūs lūdzat,
we are praying for not only for Jerusalem,
mēs lūdzam ne tikai par
for the
Jeruzalemi,
normal people in the world.
bet par normāliem cilvēkiem
That everybody
pasaulē.
has to understand
Lai visi saprot,
that we all have to be strong against our our enemies.
ka mums visiem kopā jānostājās pret Izraēla ienaidniekiem.
And now the situation is like this: that in Israel, normal people,
Un
normal people,
šobrīd situācija ir tāda, ka normāli cilvēki,
age 40, 45,
45, 40 gadu vecumā,
doing reserve army,
viņi iestājās armijas
hundreds
rezervēs
days a year.
100 dienas gadā.
People are leaving the families,
Cilvēki atstāja
leaving the
ģimenes,
kids,
atstāja bērnus
going for months and weeks to
un
fight.
nedēļām un mēnešiem ilgi dodās, lai karotu.
My daughter, she's 27, she made 500 days reserves since 7 October.
Manai meitai 27 gadi, viņa jau 500 dienas ir dienējusi armijā kopš 7. oktobra.
So I know that I can't talk for 1 hour because I can talk for 2 hours about this.
Es varētu runāt 2 stundas, bet es tik ilgi
I
nerunāšu.
just want to look at many eyes that I can and tell you, as Israelian,
Kā izrēlēts es varu pateikt,
thank you,
paldies jums.
spasiba. Thank you for
Paldies.
everything you are doing
Par
for
visu.
Israel.
Par visu, ko jūs darat priekš Izraēlu.
It's not something that happens every day.
Tas katru dienu tā nenotiek.
The people are sitting here
Cilvēki, kas šeit sēž,
are the most important voice
ir,
me.
ir svarīgākās balsis priekš manis.
because you are going back home
Jo jūs dosieties mājās
and telling the truth
un pateiksiet
to
patiesību
your families and to your neighbors.
savām ģimenēm un saviem
And the
kaimiņiem.
truth is that Israel is not the bad guy in the story.
Un patiesība ir tāda, ka Izraela nav sliktie.
We want to live.
Mēs gribam dzīvot.
I want my daughter to go to university.
Es gribu, lai mana meita dodas uz
I want
universitāti.
my daughter to raise in Israel and to go to school.
Es gribu, lai mana meita var būt Izrēlā un iet uz skolā.
I don't want to go to the shelters with my family.
Lai man nav jāiet ar ģimeni patversmēs.
I want to live.
Es gribu dzīvot.
That's all.
Tas arī viss.
And all those events that you're hearing on the news all the time,
Un viss tas, ko jūs dzirdat ziņās,
we are doing this and
Me-
we are fighting because we have no other choice.
jo mēs cīnāmies un to darām, jo mums nav citas izvēles.
And I want to say some sentences or some words to Trump.
Un es gribu arī šo to pateikt
Maybe you will pass him.
prezidentam Trumpam.
Thank you for all he did for Israel.
Paldies viņam par visu, ko viņš ir izdarījis priekš
I think he's
Izraēlas.
a really brave leader.
Es domāju, ka viņš ir ļoti drosmīgs
They
līderis,
went with us
ka viņš iet kopā ar mums
to fight with the evil part in the world.
un cīnās pret ļaunajiem šajā
Because we
pasaulē.
all understand what happened if Iran has a nuclear bomb.
Jo mēs visi saprotam, kas notiktu, ja viņi palaistu
I
atombumbu.
think that till 3 weeks ago,
Es domāju, ka vēl pirms 3 nedēļām.
Trump was number one in Israel in every family.
Es domāju, ka prezidents Trumps bija pirmais, par kuru runāja Izrēlā, visās ģimenēs.
Something happened,
Kaut kas notika,
and we don't know why.
un mēs nezinām, kāpēc.
And we're calling Trump not to put down his power
Un mēs lūdzam, lai Trumps
didn't finish.
pabeidz savu darbu, lai viņš
He didn't
neatkāpjas.
finish, and he has to do it for the world.
Jo viņam tas ir jāizdara priekš pasaules.
So thank you much, everybody coming here, hosting me. I see you tomorrow also. Maybe we'll talk about other things.
Paldies, ka ieradāties un arī rīt tiksimies.
And I hope that your prayers will go to the Lord.
Un es ceru,
And
ka jūsu lūgšanas sasniegs to
all
kungu.
we are asking will go back down. Thank you very much.
Un lai viņas tiek atbildētas. Paldies!